Think you know everything about your Galaxy S24? Think again. Here are 5 hidden features that will blow your mind. Don't wasting time, let's get started. Features 1. Lock screen widgets. Customize. Did you know you can customize your lock screen with helpful widgets? Go to Settings on your Samsung Galaxy device and scroll down and find Lock Screen. Then tap on Lock Screen and scroll down. Tap on Edit Lock Screen. Then customize your lock screen. Tap Clock Face and select a font and color. Then tap on Style and select a clock face style. Then tap on Add Widgets. Then add widgets. Then tap on Effect and select an A effect. Features 2. Photo Remaster Tool. Your gallery app hides a powerful AI tool to upgrade your photos. Open any image in your gallery, tap on Screen and swipe up Photo, and select Remaster Picture. It'll enhance brightness, sharpness, and even remove unwanted reflections. Then simple tap on Save icon. Features 3. Temporary Mute. Need some peace without going fully silent? Pull down the quick panel, tap on Sound, then choose Mute. Then tap Mute and hold few seconds. Then enable Temporary Mute. Set a time limit and your phone will unmute automatically when it's over. Features 4. Alert when phone picked up. To turn it on, go to Settings, scroll to Advanced Features, then tap Motions and Gestures. Now toggle on Alert when phone picked up. That's it. No more missing important notifications. Your phone will gently buzz to remind you. Video brightness for better viewing. This setting boosts your screen brightness automatically when you're watching videos. Perfect for clearer visuals in YouTube, Netflix, or any media app. How to set it? Go to Settings, then tap on Advanced Features. Here, tap on Video Brightness. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden tech tips.